Hello friends, how are you? Once again welcome back in RKG Biology tutorial. I hope कि आप लोग स्वस्थ होंगे और मस्त होंगे. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about plastid. See, plastid discovered by Haeckel and the term plastid also given by the Haeckel. Clear? Plastid mainly occurs in plant cells and in some protistans like the euglenoid, example euglena. Plastid is of mainly two types. One is the leucoplast, that is colorless plastid, like the amyloplast, aleuroplast, and elioplast. And second, that is the chromoplast, colored plastid. And it is also three types: chloroplast, green color plastid; rhodoplast, red color plastid; and pheoplast, brown color plastid. So these are the types of plastids. And all the plastids are produced from proplastids, and proplastids are small undifferentiated organelle. Clear? Proplastid small undifferentiated organelle होता है और इन्हीं प्रोप्लास्टिड से सभी तरह के प्लास्टिड्स डेवलप होते हैं. क्लियर? All the plastids develop from proplastids according to the need of the cell, according to the physiological demand of the cell, according to the external stimulus of the cell and also the internal stimulus of the cell. So जितने भी तरह के प्लास्टिड्स हैं, सभी तरह के जो प्लास्टिड्स हैं वो प्रोप्लास्टिड से डेवलप होते हैं और ये डिपेंड करता है सेल के फिजियोलॉजिकल एक्शन पे, सेल के नीड पे, एक्सटर्नल इन्वायरमेंट पे, इंटरनल इन्वायरमेंट ऑफ द सेल पे. क्लियर? से etioplast, when we keep the plant cell in dark, the leaves containing the proplastid, their development arrested and it enter stage, that is the intermediate stage, and that intermediate stage of proplastid in which its development is arrested, that is the etioplast. etioplast का क्या मतलब है कि जब हम प्लांट सेल को डार्क में रख देते हैं तो लीव्स के अंदर जो प्रोप्लास्टिड है उसका डेवलपमेंट रुक जाता है. ठीक है, डेवलपमेंट अरेस्ट हो जाता है और वो एक इंटरमीडिएट स्टेज में आ जाता है और इसी को बोलते हैं हम क्या? इटियोप्लास्ट. इटियोप्लास्ट विदाउट पिगमेंट, विदाउट लैमेली एंड विदाउट रिजर्व फूड. क्लियर? तो जब हम प्लांट को डार्क में रख देते हैं तो लीव्स के अंदर जो प्रोप्लास्टिड था उसका डेवलपमेंट रुक गया, जिसके रिजल्टेंट उसके अंदर कोई पिगमेंट नहीं है, लैमेली का फॉर्मेशन नहीं हुआ, रिजर्व फूड नहीं है. तो इसी स्टेज को हम बोलते हैं क्या? इटियोप्लास्ट. क्लियर? And etiolation, that means loss of pigments due to absence of light. Clear? Next type of plastids, mainly two types, that is the leucoplast and leucoplast. They are the colorless plastids, that means without any color, because there is no pigment and grana. ल्यूकोप्लास्ट में कोई भी कलर प्रोवाइडिंग पिगमेंट प्रेजेंट नहीं होता है और ना ही ग्रेना प्रेजेंट होता है. क्लियर? सो ल्यूकोप्लास्ट आर बेसिकली व्हाइट plastids. Leuco means white. Clear? So they are colorless or white plastids without any pigment and grana. Occurrence, they are mainly present in storage part of plant which are away from the sunlight. Storage part of plants away from sunlight. तो ल्यूकोप्लास्ट ऐसे प्लांट पार्ट्स में प्रेजेंट होते हैं जो स्टोरेज का काम करता है और अवे फ्रॉम द सनलाइट होता है. क्लियर? लाइक द अंडरग्राउंड स्टेम, रूट्स, राइजोम, tuber, and some grains. Clear? So they are found in underground stems, roots, rhizomes, and tubers, grains. They are also present in parenchymatous cells, embryonic cells, and meristematic cells. Clear? Next we see shape of the leucoplast. They are generally rod-like, circular. Clear? Rod-like and circular. Size of leucoplast 3 to 5 micrometer diameter. Clear? 3 to 5 micrometer diameter. Function of leucoplast. They involve in synthesis and storage of substance. Substance that mean food के synthesis and storage में participate करते हैं leucoplast. Like they store the starch, that is the polysaccharide, protein, and lipid. Clear? Types of leucoplast. Basically, leucoplast are three types. One is amyloplast. Amyloplast means carbohydrate storing plastids. Clear? And they store the carbohydrate, that is the starch, a polysaccharide. And their example like potato, wheat, maize, rice, they store the carbohydrate, that is the starch. That's why they are the amyloplast. Second, aleuroplast or proteoplast or proteinoplast. They store protein. Clear? And they are present in example like the pulses, different type of pulses, maize. Clear? Here in maize, both the plastids, that mean amyloplast and aleuroplast, both present. See here. And why we give the name aleuroplast? Because in maize, uh, the protein aleuron present. Clear? And on the basis of this name of the protein aleuron, the name of the plastid is aleuroplast. See, on the periphery of the maize, there is the presence of protein, and that is the aleuron protein. And in the center, there is the presence of starch. So in maize, both the leucoplast, that means amyloplast and aleuroplast, present. Next we see Elioplast, that is the lipid or fat containing plastids. See here, like the seeds of mustard, castor, sunflower, groundnut, many more. Those seeds which contain iron. Clear? So they contain the elioplast, lipid or fat containing storing plastids. So these are the three different types of leucoplast, that is the amylo, aleuro, and elioplast. Next we see that is the chromoplast. Chromoplast is divided into three types. Chloroplast, that is the green color pigment containing plastid. Second, rhodoplast, that is red color pigment containing plastids. And third, pheoplast, that is brown color pigment containing plastids. Clear? See here, plastids. Okay. Chloroplast, and chloroplast is green color pigment containing plastid, and they are mainly present in mesophyll cells of leaves. Clear? And also present in chlorenchyma of the stem, and they involve mainly in the photosynthesis. Next, rhodoplast, that is the red color pigment containing plastid. Rhodoplast में red color pigment plastid होते हैं. Clear? जैसे कि फाइकोइरिथ्रिन है जो रेड कलर प्रोवाइड करता है. ठीक है, दैट इज द रेड एल्गी को. लाइकोपीन है, it also provides the red color to the chilies and tomato. And कैप्सेंथीन है जो रेड कलर प्रोवाइड करता है, दैट इज द रेड पेपर को. और कैरोटीन है दैट रेड कलर प्रोवाइड टू द कैरोट रूट को. तो इस तरह से जो रोडोप्लास्ट है दैट इज द रेड कलर पिगमेंट कंटेनिंग प्लास्टिड, एंड they contain phycoerythrin, lycopene, capsanthin, and carotene. These are the different types of red color pigment. Next we see pheoplast, that is the brown color pigment containing plastid. And here present the fucoxanthin, which provide brown color to the different parts of the plant body, also to the brown algae. See the occurrence of chromoplast, mesophyll cells of leaves, that is the chloroplast, and chloroplast contain the different type of photosynthetic pigments like the chlorophyll, chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, chlorophyll C, chlorophyll D, chlorophyll E, and many more other type of photosynthetic pigments. Petals of flowers, different color of the petals of flower like the red color, yellow, pink, violet, many more colors are there. So they are due to the chromoplast. Pericarp of fruit, that mean fruit wall, है ना, फ्रूट के वॉल जो भी है वो क्या है, कलर्ड होते हैं. सीड कोट ऑफ सीड, ठीक है. ग्रीन एल्गी, दैट इज द क्लोरोप्लास्ट. रेड एल्गी, that is the rhodoplast, and brown algae, that is the pheoplast. Young leaves, ठीक है, young leaves are also colorful, in most of the cases. Some roots and stem also the colorful. So they are the examples of the different type of chromoplast. Next we see the function. Photosynthesis, as chloroplast mainly involved in photosynthesis. Next, pollination, means here rhodoplast, pheoplast or other color plastids, they attract the insects and help in pollination. So main functions, that is the photosynthesis, and they help in pollination. See here, plastids are interchangeable. जो plastids होते हैं वो एक फॉर्म से दूसरे फॉर्म में चेंज हो सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे हम लोग देखते हैं कि ल्यूकोप्लास्ट चेंज इनटू द क्लोरोप्लास्ट, एंड ल्यूकोप्लास्ट कैन चेंज इनटू द क्रोमोप्लास्ट, एंड क्लोरोप्लास्ट कैन चेंज इनटू द क्रोमोप्लास्ट. सी द एग्जाम्पल, जैसे कि कैरेट है, कैरेट दैट इज द ल्यूकोप्लास्ट उसमें इनिशियली प्रेजेंट होता है, एंड दैट टर्न इनटू द क्रोमोप्लास्ट. Here, leucoplast converted into the chloroplast. In case of potato, the part of the potato which face the sunlight turn into the green. That is the leucoplast converted into the chloroplast. And chloroplast also converted into chromoplast, like in case of tomato. जब टोमेटो कच्चा होता है तो कैसा ग्रीन होता है, और जब पक जाता है तो रेड कलर का हो जाता है ना. चिलीज भी सेम है. सो क्लोरोप्लास्ट कन्वर्टेड इनटू द क्रोमोप्लास्ट. मैंगो के केस में देख सकते हैं, जब आम कच्चा होता है तो ग्रीन कलर का होता है, जब पक जाता है तो दैट इज द येलो कलर का हो जाता है. दैट मीन क्लोरोप्लास्ट कन्वर्टेड इनटू क्रोमोप्लास्ट. सी हियर, क्लोरोप्लास्ट convert into chromoplast, but chromoplast never convert into chloroplast. Clear? So in next lecture we will discuss in detail about the chloroplast. Clear? And I request to all of you, please subscribe my channel and like, share and comment the videos.